Like, with all honesty, are you okay? The reason why I'm asking you this question today is that this world we live in is all about what everyone else thinks and believes, and not what you think and believe. Mainly in the art field. Mainly in that field. Listen up. How many times have you heard that art isn't a good career to go into? You're not gonna make enough money, you're not gonna do well, it's too competitive. How many times have you heard someone tell an artist or a child who wants to become an artist that very thing? And this doesn't just go for art, it could be for music, any passion that someone has destroyed because of a few words. That you can't do it, or it's too competitive, or it's not gonna make money. It's not a decent career. Just by those few words, a person's mindset and goals will change completely. I personally believe life is just too short to even think like that. Those words I feel as if are harmful and destructive for many people. And that's why people aren't doing the art field or their dream job. And I believe in a world that can change, that can grow. And I know it's gonna take time. It's not gonna be a one day thing. Like this video is gonna make it out there and boom, the world just changed. No, it's not gonna be like that. I just wish it was, but it's not. What I was saying about life being so short, think about it. Just think about it, how half our lives go to sleeping. Like if we have 100 years, half of our days are just sleeping. So we have 50 years right there. 50, there we go. Then another 20 years in school and the 30 years at work. That's your whole life. That's your whole life. And you do a job that you hate each and every day of your life. Yeah, that's harsh. Like, you don't follow your dreams and you hate it, and it's just gonna have this snowball effect that you're gonna hate your job, then hate your life, and start blaming people that aren't supposed to be blamed. And it's funny how this society we live in strives because of that. Because of people not following their dreams, not doing what they love. It strives. It grows the economy. I'm not saying money isn't a thing. Money is pretty important. And it will always be important for our daily lives. A lot of people do love chasing after the money, making bank. But hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. What do you value more? Money or time? Time doesn't come back. You get a moment, and if you don't live it, it's not ever coming back. Money, you have it one day, don't have it again, keeps on coming. Time isn't like that. So what do you believe is important? Money or time? Leave a comment down below. I also do believe that money and time combined is the best. It's the best way to go at it. At the end of the day, what really matters is what you believe about yourself. Maybe Bill or Bob or whatever that person's name is thinks that's cool, you're cool, and you keep on doing the same thing, but you hate doing it. But you keep on doing it because you want to seem cool, seem hip. I don't know who says hip. I don't know who says hip. I don't know who says hip anymore, so yeah, that's kind of weird. You know. And you sacrifice yourself to act and be like this person expected you to be. That's insane. We strive to be different, but at the same time, we all strive to be the same. We strive to act like someone, but at the same time, we aren't that person. we strive to make friends that are beneficial to us, not that friends that make you feel like you. That's what the world is nowadays. And I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I'm not gonna lie and sit here like, oh, this is a great world. No, it's not. It's not a great world. We need to change. We need to change. And it's a fact. It's not an opinion, it's a fact at this point. If we do change, only then this world we live in will be a better place. So, follow your heart and what you believe is right, and follow who you are rather than being someone you're not. And I'm Shreyesh, and I guess this is farewell for this week. See you guys next Friday.